Okay, here is a red cedar bowl I made from a piece somebody gave my son some cedar. I made another piece earlier, which was a vase. This one here has some nice bug paths in it. It's also got natural edge. I didn't leave any of the bark on. I had this one for a while now. I thought I didn't have all the video, but I think I have enough to make a video. It's nice color. It's still pink. They start out pinker and they tend to turn a little bit brown as time goes by, but there's still a reddish tint to it.